Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use AI eraser to remove objects on this device. So, first of all, let's go to your gallery and you want to open specific photo that you want to edit. Now let's tap edit in the bottom section of your screen, and now let's go to section actions, and here you will see magic eraser. So let's tap it, wait a little bit until the photo is processed. That will take up a few seconds. And now you have three options. You can tap, circle, or brush specific object that you want to erase. So let's say that I want to remove this car from this photo. So I will circle like this. And now we want to confirm this specific area. And let's press erase button. Wait a moment for AI to process the image. Okay, so the result is not so satisfactory, but let's try once again. Let me try to do it a little bit better. As well, you can do something like this. Okay, so it selected me not that I wanted. Let's try one more time. So you need to play around with it. Okay, so this time it didn't remove anything at all. So yes, you have to practice a little bit. Let's try another car. As you can see, the selection is not so that I wanted. Okay, you get the concept. Let me try one more time. Still, but okay, let's go with this one, and let's say that you want to that you're satisfied with the final image, and you want to tap save as copy at the top, and you will see your photo that you have just edited with AI eraser. You'll get the original image and then the copy of it that is edited. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.